It is the holiday season, and nothing says I love you like a fabulous box or kit of beauty products.
Yeah, lifestyle and beauty expert Mickey Williams joins us now with some of her favorite kits for the glam stars on your list. You know, the thing I love about kits is like you get so much to choose from. You're like a little kid in a candy store when you get a kit.
And they're all discounted typically, right?
Oh, okay.
And they put in usually their best sellers.
Yes.
So it's like, oh my gosh, it's the holidays.
Win-win-win.
I feel like I could buy something for you, but I end up always buying something for myself.
Yeah, there you go.
So first off, we love Lano Lips.
Yes.
And so these trio collections are awesome, and what I loved about them too is now you can get them on Amazon. It was like $39.95. You get 3 of these right here. So you have the gold collection right here, and you have the water collection over here.
Okay.
I love these because they come individually wrapped, but we love the 101 gold because it has that 101 formula, and you can use it on your cheeks, you can use it on your lips. It has these gorgeous colors. I've been using them as my lipstick actually lately. And then this is their water collection, which is really great. There's 0 wax, so if you like a little bit of a thinner lip, but it also has this holographic shimmer to it. So it's really pretty. So I'm like, sometimes you want to take it out of the box and give yourself one and then give the other ones away. But I love them because they're affordable and they're Lano, so we love
so
it.
good for the winter.
Okay. Yeah. We got to go with the Chicago-based company here.
Yes. This is Hana Beauty, and I have been obsessed with this body bar, forever, because you just get out of the shower and you put it on. This is their ultimate. This is right here, the ultimate holiday set. This right here is $40 for the 3 products. It's okay. I'll take all I can get right now. Okay. It's $40 for the whole thing, and it comes absolutely with this body bar, which I say you just get out of the shower, you put it on. It's very moisturizing, and it's also exfoliating. But then it comes with their best-selling Shea Body Butter. Okay, and this is really, it's like an amber vanilla. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, such a hit. Local company, and they also have their lip balm in there. And I really love this lip balm for you because you can really rock a nude, but this has a tint to it, and it just really melts into your lips. Okay. So I mean, it's a great color for anyone, but you're always like, you and J-Lo are the ones that can always wear any brown. And I love it.
Just call me like J-Lo.
Yes. You can always wear, these women can wear a nude like nobody have ever seen before. Look at what's on her lips right now.
I know.
So I love that product too. That's a great set, and it's awesome for the holidays.
Okay. That smells good too.
And then this is the new Skincare Darling. So anybody that you know that is like into the skincare, they definitely know about Hydrinity. Okay?
Yes, I'm like, you're speaking my language. Give me more.
And
Give me more.
Because this is their age renewal kit, all right? And this is what's so cool about this product and why this is such like a beauty darling is because this is an HA, and we all love HA. It plumps our skin. It brings everything youthful to it. It has these great
hyaluronic acid.
Yes, this is a HA like nothing we've ever seen before because it's a way of its extraction. They don't do it with heat. This is like the short scientific version of what they do. They don't do it with heat, and they do it in small batches. So they get this really incredible product, and then they mix it with their PPMX technology, which is really just loaded with antioxidant, filled with peptides. So you have one with a spray. The first step is a spray. You know, and it basically take a pad and clean your face with it. Then you would apply this, and you're going to really get this immediate effect, but it also has this incredible effect over time. So this is really the Skincare Darling. It's great for mom. It's great for anybody, and it's great for yourself.
Light too.
And
Soaks
it's in a
it
kit.
in.
Yeah, it's just beautiful. And you know, again, nothing like this is on the market.
I love that.
Okay. All right.
Now, yes.
Yeah.
If you're gonna get a gift certificate, I say like this is great, right?
Yeah.
But give mom a gift certificate. You can get her one at the spa. You can get her one for a massage. Get her one for anything. But you know, she's not gonna walk out feeling. She's gonna feel like $1 million, but she's not gonna look like $1 million. So you know, I'm obsessed with Davines.
Me
you are
too. I'm a diehard.
They fixed my mommy hair and they gave me a mommy makeover. And they can't say what it was like walking out feeling like it. And you have so many Davines salons. All you have to do is go to us.davines.com, go to their salon locator. You can buy a gift certificate right there for them, and they can go and they can get a blowout, they can get a scrunch up. But the products are what really do stand apart. The scent journey that you go on, they're all clean. They're clean source.
Smell this one. It's
and
my
then,
favorite.
I'm going to say right now, you could even go in there and get like, they have the most amazing holiday sets too right now. Oh, really? This is their Advent calendar. Just take a look at all of the products that are coming in that Advent calendar. And what's also really cool about it is they have this thing called the Mentor Kit, which is the OI collection. Everything is there, and you know, again, when it's packaged all in a kit, you're going to get an incredible discount.
Yes.
So I say that's a great gift for mom. Mom doesn't have a second of time. Just go get her hair done. You know?
And some of it's on Amazon now too.
Oh, really? Well, these are definitely specific to salon, but
yes, of course.
Okay,
all right, everybody wants to smell good.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, but we have to talk about him, okay? Because, you know,
there's Hims too.
I know. I'm obsessed with the Carolyn Herrera female scents, right?
Yes.
But this right here is Bad Boy, and what's incredible about this is their Cobalt collection. This is a 3-piece set. Yeah, you just do it like this.
Lotion on your hands too.
Ready?
Oh, okay.
There you go. And she's so pretty, right? So what this is, I know, it's so sexy and it's clean. I really like it too because it's like this electrifying new kind of scent to this, you know, modern masculine man. And it's really, this is, you know how they like image men's fragrances and females' fragrances? So this is like a brotherhood masculine man scent. It's not too strong. It's Carolyn Herrera, so it has this beautiful, and these 3-piece sets are so affordable.
Okay, so Coco Rabanne or is it Coco Rabanne?
Coco Rabanne. This is absolutely still #1 selling gift set for men.
Roger, let's see how it smells.
It's absolutely incredible. And what's great?
Wait, we're just gonna do you here, right?
Just do your wrist.
What's great about this is it really. This is just. Let me just describe the scent to you. This is amber, leather, and tangerine.
That's not bad.
No.
You wear that?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's a good one for you, Raj.
Again, these sets, you're going to get all of this in there. It's one of those things that during the holidays, you could buy all of this separately, but if you just buy it during the holidays, you're going to get these awesome curated sets at such a deal. And I mean, Macy's, Dillard's, it's super easy to find. And these are definitely the top trending ones right now if you don't know what to get. So.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, this is all
I'm in
good
heaven.
stuff.
Yeah, this is great stuff.
Go get your kits.
Yeah, get your kits, everybody. Get your kits.
If you need some more advice from Mickey, she's got some great stuff. Sharethe glam.com and her social media handles as well.